Hi guys.
Today we're going to show you how to replace stand light glass. And as you see, today I working with my assistant. Let's open our stand light glass. Open. This is original part. Take a notice, Patrick. As you think, this is original or not original?
It's original.
Original. So carefully open, so not cracks. Okay, so we open our stainless glass out stock. So now what we need now, screwdriver, what size, what type of screwdriver we need. Phillips, small Phillips screwdriver we need to unscrew in these two screws. Heads Phillips. So what size of screwdriver? Small screwdriver. Okay, and screw in anti-clockwise direction. So not loose. Give me screwdriver. Oh, you see a piece of our glass cracks, and here small piece from this glass. And screw lower screw. Not forget about lower screw. Here we are unscrewing, and remnants of our old stainless glass. So unscrew, continue. Okay, and now we can get it. Here our screws, small. Push in a little and redouble this grip. Two screws, the upper screw, insert into the upper hole. Okay. Go through our gasket and start screwing by fingers. Okay. Not tighten over much to prevent damages. Okay, it's enough. And lower screw, start only with fingers, screw in, hold, and screw our small screwdriver. Okay, proper direction of screwdriver, if not gets. Continue screwing. So we rotate our screwdriver clockwise direction. So okay, check upper. So good. So we go and check. Okay, and you tell me, works it or not? Works?
Yes, work.
Okay. Was it job hard or easy?
Easy.
Easy. So now you see how we replace our stained glass, and you can gladly do it yourself as we. You're the best.